Hello guys, Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today we've got Skoda Fabia 2016 with the oil service and inspection reset. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you have to do is have the ignition off, press and hold the set button there. So I'm going to just put my phone down for a second while I'm turning the ignition on and holding the button. So I'm holding the button and they'll come up, reset oil service, you press it again and service reset is done. Now what you have to do, you got the inspection one as well, so you just have to do procedure again. Turn the ignition off, press and hold the button, turn it on, and you have to wait till it goes to the inspection service and press it again and service reset. So you reset both of the lights. So there you go, inspection in 365 days. So that's all been reset. That's all you have to do. So turn the ignition off, ignition back on, and it should be fine now. Everything's reset. So like I said, this is the reset without the tool for the oil change and for the inspection as well. Have a good day. Bye.